The angled bullish triangle pattern that I mentioned in my latest video was respected, and now the price was kind of stopped at around 0.58, which makes absolutely sense. What should we expect now, and does this change our long-term vision on the stock? Absolutely not, and I'm telling you why. Behind the trade here, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed this video and my other videos, please do not forget to subscribe by clicking the button at the bottom right part of the screen. This video, as also my other videos, is subtitled in more than 10 languages and is always based on a 100% technical analysis approach. Just a quick disclaimer before starting, this is not a financial advice, as I'm not financial advisor, so do your own study and do your own evaluations. So let's get it started. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. If you remember, in my latest video, you can find the link here in the description or here in the top right part of the screen. This triangle here is still like a very important bullish pattern, so the price action is moving inside here, and I mentioned, guys, be careful because the price will probably be going to break this resistance with volumes, and the extension of this pattern would be exactly the height of this triangle. So if we project this here, we will see that the target would be around $0.60. So we are not there yet because the price was stopped by what? The price was stopped by this resistance line here, which connects this high, and you can see here that the price was rejected exactly at this point. So it makes absolutely sense, okay? It could be well predicted. Now, what can we expect from this price action? In my opinion, and again, just a personal opinion, even though the target of this pattern is at 0.60, and I think we'll be reaching that point pretty soon, in the meantime, I expect the price to cover this gap here. So I consider pretty realistic a pullback at around 0.50. So probably to touch again this support line in red. Okay, this is really possible, but this doesn't change absolutely my long-term vision on the stock. So if we look at the daily chart and we look at the volumes we had yesterday, we can see that there are almost like double the average volume. So pretty strong sign, but don't forget, let's not forget that this gap here usually it's kind of filled. So I expect a retracement, a pullback. What does this look to me in general in the short term? So I consider this, but I would like to analyze this better and probably be recording a video, better video on this, more accurate. We have this movement here, which is representing what can be considered as a left shoulder, okay, in a head and shoulder pattern. Then the price is creating now what's called a head. So it tried here to reach the 0.57, it retraced up to 0.66. It is trying to do a head here at around 0.41, as it's now retracing always around 0.60. Now what I would expect is the price to do this movement here, it might be possible, and to try to create a right shoulder. If this is created, then we can see a possible strong upward movement in the weeks ahead, but it will take some days, okay, some weeks as well. So there will be a new video on this. Let's see if the price action will respect, first of all, this gap coverage, and I will keep you posted in the next video. Thank you very much.